Oh. Oh.
You have a big nose when you put it to the camera. Oh, dude, now there's like breath from your breath all over it. It's all foggy. No, it's not. I cleaned it.
I'm hyper. Okay. It's not my fault. I'm sorry. I love you, baby. I'm all alone.
You just had your leg on the couch.
Go away.
No.
Yes.
No. Holy crap! Holy crap!
Oh my God. Don't worry, guys. I got it. Look at it, boy. Don't worry. I'm eating your sweet tarts. Don't give him more candy. She's gonna get hyper. Like drugs to her.
I gave her roofies. They should be called groundies. Because you always end up on the ground.
You know what?
Groundies. What?
Roofies doesn't make you hyper. It makes you horny.
It makes you forget about everything. You did.
Why are you all looking at me?
Gee, I wonder why.
Ah, so do I. I'm just trying to live my life. I'm trying to live my life like a normal person. I'm trying to live my life. Oh, ice cream. You have jizz on your jacket. Oh. Stop recording me. I'm going to break your camera. No, I'm going to be like on the real world.